Is your daily commute a drag? Stuck in a car that's more of a burden than a joyride? At Matrix Autoworks Nashua, we get it. That's why we offer a gateway to your driving dreams. From fuel-efficient hybrids to powerful SUVs, we have the perfect upgrade to match your lifestyle. Imagine effortlessly gliding through traffic in a car that turns heads, enjoying the open road with the wind in your hair and a smile on your face, experiencing the latest technology that makes driving safer and more fun. Scene, close-up of happy customers shaking hands with Matrix Autoworks salesperson. Don't just settle for okay. Visit Matrix Autoworks Nashua and unlock the driving experience you deserve. Our friendly experts will guide you through every step, making your upgrade smooth and stress-free. Visit Matrix Autoworks Nashua today and test drive your dream car. We are located at 321 Main Street, Nashua, New Hampshire stop, in or call us at 603-288-1108. We have great vehicles at fair prices.